So this is the other part of the house that's finished, guest house. Got some rooms to the right, but there's people staying in there. I'm not going to intrude. The steps go up on the roof, which is awesome. Man, the view up here is incredible. Check it out. Check out the bananas. Coconut trees, mangoes. This place is absolutely beautiful up here, and it's out in the country. Little skylights in the ceilings, little skylights put up, and it's gonna be so nice. Here's the skylight from the main entrance. Look, check it out from up above. There it is, really cool. And more roof. Check this out. There's a lot more green here in the mountains than there is at Port-au-Prince. Agriculture, things are green. It's beautiful. It's so nice up here. And off in the distance, I think you can see part of the mountains right there off in the background. And so see the mountains off in the distance. It takes about an hour, 20 minutes to get up here. Driving really crazy, curvy mountain roads. It's an adventure, and I've got some video of that as well. So yeah, there's a view from the roof.